It's Thursday, February 19th, 2015, and I'm Jim Sullivan with your NeoWeather.com video forecast. It's a frigid morning. As of 11 a.m., temperatures for the most part have rebounded to a few degrees above zero. They won't go up too much more today. We do have some clouds and flurries and even some snow showers floating around. You can see a little band here right along I-80 in southern Cuyahoga into northern Summit County. The radar is really overshooting it. These snow showers are low to the ground and it's a cold, dry air mass, so the snowflakes are very small, so they'll reduce the visibilities, but they won't accumulate well. And the radar won't pick up on it well either. There could be flurries really just about anywhere, although that's the best band right now. I'll show you that in just a second. Wind chill readings, let me stop this for you and look at the current numbers. 15 to 20 below for the most part. Dover, New Philly, the warm spot, a wind chill of only 10 below. Wind chill advisories in effect for today. Warnings for tonight. We'll talk to you about that much more here in the next few minutes. And here's a look at I-77 at I-480. Under that snow band, it was hardly showing up on radar, but you can see visibilities are reduced a decent amount. That might be a half-mile visibility. There could be a few slick spots under any heavier snow showers today. I don't think there will be many, but you could get a brief reduction in visibility and maybe a little bit of slick travel under any lake effect snow showers today. Taking a look across the entire country now, really not much to talk about other than the cold. It's very quiet, but very cold. Temperatures in the single digits all the way down into parts of Tennessee and the Carolinas this morning. And you can sort of see this white tint on satellite imagery all the way down into northern Alabama, northern Georgia, and North Carolina. That's snow cover. They had a system drop snow there earlier this week on the front edge of this cold, and you can tell it's a really cold air mass because this air is hitting the Gulf Stream, and clouds and showers are just exploding offshore. Even Florida, they could have some freezing conditions tonight, so it's a very impressive blast of cold, but fortunately it's not accompanied by too much snow, at least today. Coming back to Cleveland, looking at the numbers yesterday, we did a balmy 17-9, still well below the averages of 38-24. Today's records are 68 and 4 below zero. The record low could very easily be broken before midnight tonight. It didn't get that cold this morning in Cleveland. We saw 1/100th of an inch of rain or liquid equivalent at Hopkins yesterday that translated into half an inch of snow, so a 50-to-1 snow to liquid ratio. That's a very light and fluffy snow at Hopkins yesterday. We're running near normal on the monthly precipitation, above normal on the monthly snow, a little bit above normal on the yearly precipitation, and we're setting the sun at 6:06 p.m. tonight. All right, moving on now. For the rest of today through 8 o'clock, we're under a wind chill advisory for wind chills ranging from 10 to 20 below. And then tonight, starting at 8 for every county except for Tuscarawas, the wind chill advisory will become a wind chill warning for wind chills of 20 to 30 below tonight, and we'll look at that much more coming up in just another second. So for the remainder of today, temperatures aren't going to go up a whole lot more, maybe a couple degrees. Northwest winds are still going to be gusty, keeping wind chills in a 10 to 20 below zero range, give or take. I don't think we'll see too many minus 25 wind chills today. However, tonight we're going to clear out. Temperatures will drop. Winds will decrease to around 5 miles per hour tonight, so there won't be much of a wind chill, but with air temperatures ranging from 10 to 20 below zero, wind chills will easily be driven down to 20 to 30 below. That's why there's a wind chill warning for much of the area tonight. Looks like lots of more school closings and whatnot for tomorrow. So looking a little deeper, here are some forecast lows at some of our official reporting sites for tonight. Again, in the cities, around minus 15 with a bit of a breeze. Outside of town in the more rural locations, temperatures could really drop. This could be similar to Sunday night into Monday morning, where a lot of areas away from the city got to 15 to 25 below zero. There actually will probably be fewer clouds tonight than there were Sunday night, which could allow temperatures on the whole to get a couple of degrees colder than what we saw Sunday night. Either way, it'll be absolutely frigid. Any breeze will drive the wind chills down to 20 to 30 below. Frozen pipes could be an issue, so drip the faucets, open the cabinet doors, Car batteries could very easily die in these temperatures, frostbite or hypothermia if you go outside without properly covering yourself. And obviously, do not leave the pets outside. It'll be a very cold night tonight, hopefully the coldest we see for many years to come. And yes, if you are wondering, these forecast lows tonight will break records in many areas. Uh, Places like Cleveland and Youngstown could easily get below today's record lows before we hit midnight tonight. And then I think most of our reporting stations that keep track of records will break their record lows for Friday morning. So definitely frigid. And through yesterday in Cleveland, this was the fourth coldest February on record, and records go back to the 1870s in Cleveland. Temperatures over the next day or two will lower that a little bit further, so we're definitely in some rarefied air in terms of what we're seeing this month, and we'll continue to update this for you as we get closer and closer to March. And taking a peek at one of our forecast computer models for this weekend, this is Saturday evening. A low pressure system looks to track somewhere across Ohio, bringing snow, potentially changing to rain Saturday night, and then changing back to snow showers on Sunday. This could bring a few inches of snow to the area, and obviously a slight change in the track of that low pressure will determine if we see less snow, more snow, maybe no storm at all. At this point, I think we'll see some sort of precipitation, but we'll see how heavy it is. Keep checking back in over the next couple of days as we try to pin this down for you. So on your 7-day now, we warm up just a little bit tomorrow, but increase the clouds ahead of our next storm system. Light snow Friday night into Saturday morning. And then Saturday, temperatures do warm a little bit to around freezing, but we bring in better snow chances during the afternoon. Into Saturday evening, there could be a few inches of snow Saturday afternoon into Saturday evening, and then Saturday night, the uncertainty increases. Do we change to rain? Does the storm even pull out a little quicker? For now, I went with the warmer solution, but we'll have to watch. Our models have not settled on a solution. If we do get warmer, we could actually start Sunday mild before temperatures crash again. Teens again for Monday, lows potentially below zero again Monday night, and then Tuesday, Wednesday, we stay cold. Another big blast of cold air, not quite as big as the one we're dealing with now, but potentially below zero again at night, looks to be on track for next Thursday and next Friday. So we're approaching meteorological spring that starts March 1st, but the weather pattern is still remarkably cold. With NeoWeather.com, I'm Jim Sullivan. Thanks for watching, and check us out again tomorrow.